This is a video of assembly instructions for an In the Breeze Ferris wheel spinner. This spinner comes with a two-piece pole, 2 rainbow spinner wheels, and 6 different colored poly baskets. This item takes a little bit of work to put together, but the final product is well worth it. Before we begin, I'm going to move the bottom section of this pole out of the way. To start, take the top section of the pole and remove the end cap and sleeve spacer from the horizontal bar. Now we're going to put some things back on that bar in this order. First, the spinner wheel with the long arms coming off of it. Next, the sleeve spacer. This will hold the 2 wheels apart. Then the second spinner wheel, and finally the end cap. We recommend using a small amount of epoxy glue to permanently secure this end cap to protect your Ferris wheel from coming apart in strong winds. Next, we need to connect the 2 wheels together and place the baskets. For what I think is the best visual effect, I'm going to line up the colors on the wheels to match one another and place the baskets near similar colors on the wheels. Choose one connection to start on. Slide the loose pressure washer off of the arm on the rear wheel. Slide on the basket and replace the pressure washer, leaving enough room for the basket to spin freely. Finally, insert the end of the arm into the connector on the front wheel. This will form the crossbar on your Ferris wheel. It can take a little bit of work to get this into the connector, but get a firm grip and gently push the 2 pieces together, working the arm from side to side. Repeat this with each connection around the wheel. Once you've secured all the connections, the only thing left to do is connect the bottom of the pole, plant it, and enjoy.